Sound insulation is also a unique feature of uPVC window. PVC window itself, the material itself is a damping material. So it helps to cut down noise. Together with the glass, insulation glass, and the hardware, we can actually cut out noise from the outside to the inside, and also vice versa from the inside to the outside. Okay. If you look at the number now, it's about 100 decibel on the outside. It's about 60 decibel on the inside here. So there's a difference, there's a drop of about 30, 35 decibel. Okay. We do have system tested with test report that we can achieve up to sound insulation of 48 decibel. You can have a comfort living at your home and cut down the noise from the outside. Thank you.